Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could register or record your audio or your voice to be used with the slides during a PowerPoint presentation. So first of the thing, let's open our presentation and let's go to slideshow. Here we are going to click on record slideshow and we are going to select record from the beginning or from current slide, and we are going to select both slide and animation timing, narration, ink and laser printing, and we'll click on start recording. Once done, the recording will be showing here. So here it shows how many seconds you have spent already speaking. Once you have completed presenting the first slide, just click on next to present the next slide saying test, see document, etc. blah blah blah, and you go ahead with next for the next slide. Once you have completed, just press the pause button and it should tell you that recording has been paused. After that, you can just go ahead and click escape or escape to get out of the presentation. Once done, you will see that your presentation has no audio, and when you click on each slide, you will see here the audio and the number of seconds recorded for it. Once completed, just make sure to save your presentation and you are done. Next time, if you want to present the presentation without using your voice, just click on slideshow presenting and it should automatically start with your voice. I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, leave us a comment or send us an email to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.